We're going to proceed now for the different learning tasks. So, lahat ng inyong sagot ay isusulat sa papel. Ulitin ko, sagot lamang ang isusulat. Learning task number 1, here's the direction. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it's wrong. Write your answers in a pad of paper. Meaning, ang isusulat lamang ay true at false. For learning task 2, that is matching type, so the direction is match column A with column B by writing the letters of the correct answers on your pad paper. So meaning, letter lang ang sasagot. Direction for learning task 3. Complete the statement to describe at least 5 tools or equipment in providing nail care services together with its functions. Do this in your pad paper. Here is the example for learning task 3. The tool looks like eraser is important because it helps for smoothing and polishing the nails. It is called nail buffer. Meaning, you will have 3 points for each number. The answer for the given example are eraser, another is for smoothing and polishing the nail, and nail buffer. That is 3 points.